Hello, welcome. Let's look at this question for WAEC Chemistry Past Question 2018, question number 8. In which of the following compounds does hydrogen form ionic compounds? In which of the following compounds does hydrogen form ionic compounds? A. CH4, B. HCl, C. NH3, D. NaH. So what is the answer? Is it in methane as option A, or hydrogen chloride as option B, or ammonia as option C, or sodium hydride? In which of the following compounds does hydrogen form ionic compound? So what is the answer to this problem? The answer is D, sodium hydride. That is the answer. So why is sodium hydride the answer to this question? It is the answer because the alkali and alkali earth metals like sodium and calcium form ionic hydrides with hydrogen, which have high melting points and are crystalline solids that conduct electricity. So when you check hydrogen and its compound in your textbook, you'll be able to see the fact that I just mentioned. And as a way of getting that note, you can write the alkali and alkali earth metals. Example is sodium and calcium. They form ionic hydrides with hydrogen. And the properties of these hydrides is that they have high melting point. I like giving you more points whenever I'm answering a question, so that even if you have questions coming, maybe another question might ask you the properties of the hydrides formed, so that from this you learn a lot of things. So that's why I don't just give the answer, but I also give explanation on other things surrounding the answer, so that anyhow you get the question, you will be able to answer. So that have high melting points and are crystalline solids that conduct electricity. So you might be getting a question, which of the following compounds have high melting point and conducts electricity? Then you should know it's also a hydride like sodium hydride or calcium hydride. So the answer to this, like I told you, you can get this in your textbook under hydrogen and its compounds. Under hydrogen and its compounds. So if you check under hydrogens and its compound, you check the chemical properties of hydrogen, you're going to find out that it reacts with alkali and alkali earth metals. And those metals are metals like sodium and calcium. So it reacts with them to form ionic hydrides. So this is the ionic hydride or ionic compound as it is asked in the question. You can see ionic compound. So actually it forms ionic hydrides. You can see this is the ionic hydride. So whenever this alkali metal or alkali earth metal react with hydrogen. So these ionic compounds have high melting points, and they also conduct electricity. So that is the answer to this problem. Please, if you like this, hit the subscribe button. The subscribe button is by this side of your screen. If you want to get more information on this very topic, check hydrogen and its compound in your textbook. Thank you, and God bless you.